this video, I'll show you how to edit an appointment. If you've already created an appointment or a block booking, Kiku allows you to edit essential features of the booking. You'll need to access the booking either from the diary interface or from the client's record in My Clients. Once in the booking, you can scroll down to see the appointment details. So we can edit the session format, the location, we can add another client if this is to become a couples session. The date and the time can be changed if you're rescheduling. We can also alter the fee particulars. As an example here, I'm going to change from face-to-face to online. Because I've selected online, I'm prompted to add the video meeting URL, which the client will then receive with their confirmation. I'm also going to change the session fee and the length. Scrolling to the bottom of this page, I can see that this appointment is one of a block booking. When this is the case, we have the option of making changes to this appointment alone or to the whole series. And finally, we can choose to send our client notification of these changes.